Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. And this tutorial we are going to talk about how to enhance lips tick in Photoshop, how to enhance your lips, how to change the color of your lips in Photoshop. So in this tutorial we are going to cover it up. So kindly take a minute to like and subscribe to my channel, and welcome back to the tutorial. We are going to start the class in 3, 2, 1. So we are back in full. I will show you like and subscribe to my channel. So let's go to the class in full. So if you want to enhance your lipstick or you want to lay your lips in your Photoshop, so I'm going to play the layer. So you can use the brush to highlight the lips. You can use the lasso tool to highlight the lips. You can use your quick selection tool to highlight the lips. Just make selection of the lips. For me, I'm going to use the pen tools to highlight the lips. The shortcut is P. Then I'm going to zoom in into the mouth, into the lips. So I'm going to make selection of the lips. Just follow the parts of the lips. That makes selection of the lips. I want to make selection. I'm going to give 5. After I make selection, then I'm going to my adjustment layer, go to solid color. I'm going to give it purple. I think purple is okay. So after then, I'm going to change the blending mode to multiply. You can see you have changed to multiply, but not like as real as the lipstick, normal lipstick. You see, it's not as real as the normal lipstick. So I can right click or double tap on the layer, then go to my blending option. Make sure it's on blending option, then the white part on the blending option under the other layer. They are going to drag it down. See where you see the lipstick looks so real. So it looks so real here. I'm going to press Alt and drag it Alt to break the scroll into 2. So I'm going to divide it into. I think this is okay. And back down into. So we create a reality lipstick. For you can see the before and the after, so I can change to whatever color I want to change to pink, to red, to blue, to black, to orange, to yellow. So any type of lipstick that you wish I can change to. Let's see, I've changed the lips. So let's see, I need to any color that I wish to. So a new one that is a view white, so you can follow this step too. You can also use the part to your lasso to make the highlight of the lips only. Then follow the process to make a detective lipstick. You can see the before and the after. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have a question, ask in my comment section below. Anything, maybe you have a question or one or two things you don't understand, you can ask in the comment section below. So can you like and subscribe my channel to see a tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.